The world is different today. The machines, tools, and systems that manufacture the goods we use every day are more connected than ever before, accelerating production and easing operations. But that same connectivity has given hackers far more opportunities to breach insecure devices in industrial environments and networks. Ransomware and other attacks can cripple manufacturing operations, causing unplanned downtime, jeopardize the safety of employees, harm relationships with suppliers and customers, and do untold damage to brands. Fortunately, there is hope. Microsoft Defender for IoT can help remove IT/OT blind spots and quickly and cost-effectively integrate into existing devices and factories. Day and night, our research teams and ICS/OT specialists analyze trillions of signals from endpoints, applications, identities and OT networks, and more to keep one step ahead of cybercriminals. For manufacturers, time is money, and unplanned downtime can be expensive. But with Microsoft Defender for IoT, security leaders can rest easy, knowing they have a powerful tool to continuously monitor, protect, and defend their most critical ICS/OT assets and protect the business. Be fearless.